Eating sweet potato daily can have several positive effects on your health due to its rich nutrient profile, but there are also some considerations depending on how much you consume and your overall diet. Here are the potential benefits and some things to keep in mind. Benefits of eating sweet potatoes daily: rich in nutrients. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin A, beta-carotene, which is crucial for eye health, immune function, and skin health. They are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, fiber, manganese, and several B vitamins, all of which support overall health. Supports digestive health. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber, particularly the soluble type, which can help promote healthy digestion, regulate bowel movements, and support gut health. May improve eye health. The high beta-carotene content, which converts into vitamin A, is important for eye health and may reduce the risk of vision problems, including macular degeneration and night blindness. May regulate blood sugar. Despite being a starchy vegetable, sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index, GI, meaning they can help regulate blood sugar levels compared to other high-carb foods. Their fiber content also slows the digestion of sugars. Promotes heart health. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in the body, regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. Their antioxidants, like anthocyanins, also support heart health by reducing inflammation. Boosts immune system. The combination of antioxidants, like beta-carotene, and vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off infections. Potential concerns. Excessive vitamin A. Since sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, consuming them in very large quantities daily could lead to hypervitaminosis A, which occurs when there's too much vitamin A in the body. This can cause symptoms like nausea, dizziness, and even liver damage in severe cases, though this is more of a risk from supplements rather than food. High carb intake. Although sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than other carbs, eating large portions every day can still contribute to an excess of carbohydrates, which might be a concern if you're watching your carb intake or managing conditions like diabetes. Oxalate content. Sweet potatoes contain oxalates, which, when consumed in very high amounts, could potentially contribute to the formation of kidney stones, especially for people predisposed to them. Balance is key. If you're incorporating sweet potatoes into a balanced diet with a variety of vegetables, proteins, and other nutrients, they can be a healthy, nutrient-dense addition to your meals. However, consuming them in moderation is essential to avoid any potential downsides. For more tips on nutritious foods and healthy living, keep exploring our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.